Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? If you're new to the page, as you can see, I'm not in my studio, but if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Hey, it's Sunday. I'm usually shooting from my car after church. You guys know we talk a few minutes about the stock, and then I say something inspirational at the end, and I'm going to follow through. Listen. We know what happened to the stock market. We know FedEx pulled the entire market down, though it was Friday and the market was going to be, I believe, red anyway. I said that earlier in the week that it was going to be a bad week, and it proved to be so. There's a lot of negativity going on. Ever since Tuesday's numbers came out, the consumer price index, the market has been in fear. So the bears have taken over. The bulls have relinquished power. And I just want to say that some people dip bought. And those people that dip bought, they're okay, because that's actually a better time to buy when there's fear in the market. And I'm just going to continue saying now that we buy fear and sell greed. Now, me personally, I didn't buy anything because I just believe that there's more fear coming. Fear is going to cause the market to go down. There's a lot going on, even with crypto. The government has started their framework to regulation, not elimination, but regulation of crypto. And of course, it's going to get revamped and revamped and revamped. So let's keep our eyes and ears on that. It doesn't matter what crypto you're in, it's going to affect all of crypto. Of course, the merge went on. Those of us that bought the rumor, sold the news, it was a better play. I've been consistently saying that I don't think it's going to be such a big deal immediately, but it will be a big deal in the long run. So that's why I did exactly what I said I was going to do. And it panned out to be a good move for me. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, right? And so we're going to keep our eye on the market. I don't believe that next week will be as bad as this week, but there will be more volatility and more red. So I'll be surprised if it is until the 20th and the 21st. So let's talk about that. Here's the big thing that I want you guys to keep your eyes and ears on. The Fed, the FOMC meeting. Now, I believe that 50 basis points is totally off the table because of the consumer price index, or CPI. I believe that the Fed will go up 75 basis points all the way up to 1. Okay? I think he probably won't do one, but it's not written in stone. He could. So if it does, don't say, hey, Larry, you said it wasn't going to happen. I'm just saying it could. I believe that he will talk about 75 basis points now and probably 50 and then 50. Or he may say 75 basis points rate hike now and another 75 later. That's what he may do. Because the biggest fear, the biggest threat to the market right now is the Fed. If he goes too aggressive, it literally could cause an early recession. All right. Now, I know people said, hey, Larry, you said we're already in a recession. We are. We're in a soft recession. I'm talking about the hard recession. I'm talking about the S&P, going beneath 3790 and really tanking. I'm talking about the market dipping lower than the June lows, which I believe will happen. And this is not fear. Remember, we're not scared. We are prepared. And so we're going to keep our eyes and ears on all of that and trade accordingly. That's why I am putting a lot of money every week into Moo. My Moo. There's a link down below. There, I'm just cashing up. Now, there's money to be made. There's plays that you can be swinging right now. And especially if you're a stock picker, which most of us are not. But that's risk on. And right now, I'm risk off. I am cash up, and getting ready to buy during the fear, which will be the hard recession. Remember, I'm buying fear, and then we're going to sell greed, and that's how we're going to build wealth. Now, Larry, what about the $5 a day? Also, in Webull, you guys got the notices in the last couple of days. Check your emails. If you have Webull open, reoccurring fractional share buying. It is a gift. I'm telling you, pick your top 5 stock. I would suggest a 4 blue chip stock and 1 growth stock if you want to, or 5 blue chip stock. So the 2 links below, Webull, deposit that, and you're going to get 12 free stock. But now Moo has a more aggressive. They're going to 15 stock, right? Up to $30,000 by you depositing just by making a minimum deposit of $100. You know, you can actually open up a Moo and deposit a penny if you want to, and Webull. But let's get serious. Let's not do that. Let's not, you know, and I know, yes, you can download it and get the free stuff, but let's get serious about building wealth, and let's cash up, right? Take your $5 a day, take your Starbucks money and start saving, especially in the Moo. Let's get ready for a golden opportunity. This recession is going to be a blessing. We are not going to operate in fear. We operate in favor. So let me close by saying this, and I just want to speak to some of you. Some of you have just saw red in the elevator going down. Let me tell you, now's the time for you to rise up and be a giant slayer. We are not ant flickers. We are giant slayers. And it is time for us to get extremely serious and understand that we're in a battle. In the good book, I mean, you guys know the story. Even if you don't read the Bible, you guys know the story about David and Goliath, right? David didn't take down the giant with a bazooka or jet, you know, a stealth bomber. He took the giant down with a smooth stone, just a pebble, just a rock, and he was able to slay a giant. So just think of that pebble as $5 or whatever you can afford per day. And that's how we're going to invest, and we're going to win, all right? So I'll just let you guys know, people will be coming, that I am on my first vacation since COVID. And I just didn't want to say it in my earlier videos because the market is going down, right? But I'm just going to be me. And you guys know I deserve this vacation. And I'm still working on my vacation. So I snuck down here. My wife is up in the room. So y'all pray for me that I don't get in trouble. I love each and every one of you guys. I just want, it's simple with me, y'all. I want everybody to win. I in my heart of hearts, I want everybody to win. So I'm here in beautiful Maui, here in Hawaii, and halfway over my vacation. And listen, we are all going to, you know what would be cool? After the hard recession and we do the hard work and we start making gains, like for all of us to meet up on an island somewhere just to celebrate our wins, you know, not spending all of our winnings, but just to celebrate together. That's an idea that we got plenty of time to put something together. That would really be cool, to just relax and enjoy the fruit of your labor, of our labors. Maybe in 2025 or 2026, it would be really cool to just sit and communicate with you guys, all right? So that's what I wanted to say on today. And you guys, I'm going to continue to pray over your health, your wealth and finances, all right? So remember, check out those links below, and shout out to one of the family members that I met here. Her name is Maria. Soon she was the first server, and shout out to Maria, who really took good care of me, and yay, blessings to her. And I just love meeting different people from different cultures. It just brings me such joy. And then also, too, good people, check out the video that I'm gonna leave in that link. You're gonna see a video that comes in this box up here in that corner, in your upper right hand corner. If you haven't saw that video, please do. I talked to someone, and especially pay attention to what she did when COVID hit. If you truly want to build wealth, you truly want to be inspired, and you truly want to see a real story of somebody that was almost homeless and now a millionaire in the stock market, and she's still in her 30s, just make sure you view that video that's going to come up that says almost homeless to millionaire, right? Remember the 2 links below, deposit them, take advantage of the free stuff. But more importantly, that is Weeble and Mumu. Just deposit 100 in each, or open up. If you got $5, just do it today. Put $5 in each and then deposit more. All right, good people. I love you guys. I'm going to leave you with some of these beautiful views, and we'll talk to you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Love you guys.
Hello.